This is one of the most common problems sellers face. And today I am going to explain exactly why your keywords aren't converting and what you can do to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, a big reason is search intent. Just because a keyword gets traffic doesn't mean it brings buyers. Broad keywords usually attract browsers, not shoppers. And now the second one. Even the best keyword won't convert if your listing isn't strong. If your images are weak, your title isn't clear, your bullets don't highlight benefits, or your reviews are low, in this case, customers will click your ad, but they will leave without buying anything. So that means your ad brings the traffic, but your listing closes the sales. Now, the third one is sometimes the issue isn't the keyword or the ads, it's the product's competitiveness. If competitors have better reviews, better branding, or lower prices, shoppers will naturally choose them over you, no matter how good your ads are. Fourth one, bidding too much on broad or cold traffic keywords can hurt your conversions. High bid means more clicks, but if those clicks come from people who aren't ready to buy, your conversions rate will drop and your echoes will increase. So your budget should go toward keywords that already convert. Fifth one is not using negative keywords properly can destroy your performance. If you are not blocking irrelevant search terms, Amazon will keep showing your ads to the wrong audiences. So that will waste your money and lowering your conversion rate. Number 6. Inventory issues can also affect your conversions. When your product is low on stock or out of stock, Amazon may reduce visibility and customers may hesitate to buy, especially if your delivery times are long. The seventh and last one is that if you have new products often struggle to convert because they lack reviews and trust. In the early stages, your goal should be to rank and generate reviews, even if echoes is higher at first. Over time, conversions will naturally improve. At the end of the day, if your keywords aren't converting, don't just blame the keywords. Look at search intent, listing quality, product competitiveness, bidding strategy, negatives, and inventory. Fixing these areas will improve both your conversion rate and your profitability. So that's all for today. I hope you have a better idea now how to get a profitable sales. Further, if you have any question or suggestions, you can let us know in the comment section. Also, you can mail us info@ecomclips.com. See you in the next video with another topic. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.